Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. I hope you all did the reading of our last lesson, Shibi the Protector. So in this we came to know that Shibi was a king. His full name was Shibi Chakravarti, and his stories are based on Jataka tales. So it was being told in the written in the Buddhist period. Okay, Buddhism का जो period था वो time पे stories लिखे गए थे. And in this story we learned that there was a king Shibi, and when he was sitting in his palace, what happened there? A dove who was wounded, it came and sat into the lap of King Shibi, isn't it? And he was asking for protection with the king. Why was he asking protection? Because he was getting frightened that a hawk will kill and eat him, isn't it? हम पढ़े थे ना, एक डव आके इनकी गोदी पे बैठ जाता है, he sits on his lap, बहुत wounded था, and asked protection from a hawk which will going to eat it. So king promised him the protection and asked the hawk to leave him, to do not kill him. Okay. So in return the hawk asked king to give him the flesh of his own bed equal amount of the dove. हॉक क्या पूछते रिटर्न गिफ्ट में, जब किंग बोलते हैं उनको शिबी बोलते हैं ये डव को छोड़ दो, आस्क फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स मीन्स द हॉक आस्क फॉर द ओन फ्लैश, राजा का ओन फ्लैश पूछते हैं इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ डव, डव का जो वेट है उतना वेट का आपको आपका ओन फ्लैश देना है. ओके, सो टिल हियर वी डिड इन द लास्ट क्लास. नाउ विल डू द फाइनल वन, थर्ड सीन. सो हियर इन दिस सीन देयर इज a little later the king is sitting on his throne. Okay, the hawk is at the side table. There is a table in front of the throne. On the table is a pair of scales. Here we can see pair of scale means tarazu. Okay, ये scene है अभी. So the king is sitting here, the hawk is here, a pair of scale tarazu is here, and in one scale the wounded dove is there, and the other scale has to be put the flesh of king to weight equally. Fine. So and there are many servants and noblemen around with sorrowful faces. One servant has a sharp knife. Okay, all of the noblemen and servants are there present in the palace hall, and one man is holding a knife to cut off the flesh from the king's body. So now King Shibi, knife man, cut off a piece of flesh the size of that dove from my body and put it on the empty scale. King, what is he saying? He is saying कि cut off a part of my flesh from the body and put it on the empty scale. जो empty scale है उसमें मेरा body का एक flesh रख दो, piece रख दो. Knife man, how can I put my knife into the body of my king? Let me put a cut on my own body instead. Knife man क्या बोल रहे हैं? How can I cut my king's body? मैं अपने राजा की body कैसे cut करूँ? मैं it's better के I'll cut my own body and put the flesh. मैं अपना flesh cut करके रखता हूँ. King Shibi says, no, I can't go back on my own word. I have promised my own flesh to this hawk and he shall have it. What's the king saying here? Look his wisdom. He is saying कि how can I go back on my own word? I cannot go back on my own word. So as I have promised the hawk, मैंने promise क्या किया था hawk को कि I will give my flesh. So how can I give your flesh then? He shall have only my flesh only. मैं अपना ही flesh दूंगा. The knife man cuts away a piece of flesh from King Shibi. He puts it on the empty scale, but that scale does not go down. The scale with the dove does not go up. So after a lot of essence, what does the king ask? The knife man cuts off a piece from the king's body and he put on the empty scale. Here we can see now. So when the piece of flesh is put on the empty scale, it doesn't go down. Okay, and this one doesn't go up. The scale with the dove doesn't go up. जब हम equal amount करते हैं तो when we put there is an empty place, it will be upstairs. Heavy वाला जो रहता है below रहता है. जब इसमें भी हम weight रखते हैं तो it gets equal. But यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? ये dove and king के flesh की scales दोनों equal नहीं हुई. Okay. King Shibi cut off another piece. एक piece रखने के बाद में dove का weight और flesh का weight equal नहीं हुआ. So King Shibi क्या बोले? Okay, cut off another piece and keep it. और एक piece cut करके रखो. The knife man cuts another piece of the king's body and add it to the piece on the scale opposite to the dove. There is no change in the position of scales. The scale with the dove remains low. The other scale remains high. The knife man goes on cutting off pieces from the king's body and putting them on the high scale. but the scales remain the same. So look at here, what's going on here, the tragedy. The first piece, it doesn't get equal with the dove's weight, so the knife man cuts another piece of body, he puts it on this scale, that too doesn't get equal with, both of them doesn't get equal. Then the knife man cuts another piece of body, and that time also it doesn't get equal. So the knife man goes on cutting off pieces from the king's body. Knife man क्या करते, it goes off cutting off pieces, king's की body से pieces cut करते जाते हैं, equal करते जाते, but it doesn't get equal, but the scale remain the same. क्या same रहते, डव का scale क्या रहता, ऊपर ही नहीं जाता, weight low ही रहता, डव वाला जो scale है low ही रहता, उसके बाद जो king के flesh का स्केल है वो नीचे ही नहीं जाता, कितना भी वेट रख लो वो दो इक्वल ही नहीं होते, इट इज़ ऑलवेज अप. फ्लैश का जो स्केल है वो अप ही है, डव का जो स्केल है वो नीचे ही है. अगर हम इस पर भी वेट रखते हैं, फ्लैश का जो वेट रख रहे हैं किंग का, कितने भी सारे पीसेस रख लो, इट्स नॉट गेटिंग इक्वल. ओके, सो हियर किंग शीबी, pick me up and put me in the scale, knife man, I am about to die. So King Shibi, what is he saying? He is asking the knife man के, the scale is not getting equal, so what you do, put me completely into the scale, I am about to die. अब आप सारा पीस मेरी बॉडी से कट करके तब उसमें रख रहे हो, तो इट्स नॉट गेटिंग इक्वल नहीं हो रहा है, डव के वेट से मेरा वेट इक्वल नहीं हो रहा है, बहुत कम हो रहा है, तो आप क्या करो, कम्प्लीटली मेरे को ही अनदर स्केल में रख दो, डव के इक्वल में रख दो. The knife man lifts the king up and puts him on the high scale. All of a sudden, the dove changes into Agni, the god of fire, and the hawk changes into Indra, the god of rain. The two gods stand before King Shibi. The scale is now low. Okay, so king बोलते हैं कि अभी मेरे से और pieces flesh निकालोगे तो I am about to die, I will not live. So do one thing, मेरे को ही completely वो scale में रख के मेरे को और dove को equal कर दो. सो द नाइफ मैन जो था उन्होंने उठा के कम्प्लीटली राजा को क्या करते हैं, किंग को वो जो दूसरा स्केल होता है उसमें बिठा देते हैं. तो सडनली क्या होता है, द डव, जो डव था, वुंडेड डव था, इट चेंजेस इनटू अग्नि, गॉड ऑफ फायर. जो हिंदूज में जो रहते हैं अग्नि, गॉड ऑफ फायर रहते हैं, उन लोग के डिफरेंट गॉड्स रहते हैं, तो उनके जो गॉड ऑफ फायर है उनका नेम है अग्नि. सो द डव चेंजेस इनटू अग्नि, वो क्या चेंज हो जाते हैं, गॉड में चेंज हो जाते हैं. एंड हॉक कौन से गॉड में चेंज होते हैं, चेंजेस इनटू इंद्रा. ओके, इंद्रा द रेन, गॉड ऑफ रेन. डव किस में चेंज होते हैं, अग्नि में चेंज होते हैं, गॉड ऑफ फायर. एंड हॉक किस में चेंज होते हैं, इंद्रा, गॉड ऑफ रेन में. द टू गॉड्स स्टैंड बिफोर द किंग शिबी, द स्केल इज नाउ लो. सो बोथ द गॉड्स स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द किंग शिबी, एंड दोनों जो स्केल्स है वो लो हो गए, अभी दोनों भी हल्के हो गए, इक्वल हो गए. Agni, so the god Agni, he is saying, we wanted to test your kindness and justice, O Shibi, and you have passed our great test. Be you whole and healthy once more. I am Agni, the god of fire. So the god Agni, who is Agni? The dove. The dove who changed into god Agni, he is saying कि we wanted to test your kindness and justice, O Shibi, and you have passed our great test. So अग्नि गॉड जो डव थे उन्होंने क्या बोल रहे हैं, किंग शिबी, वी वर हियर टू टेस्ट योर काइंडनेस एंड जस्टिस, हम आपकी काइंडनेस और जस्टिस टेस्ट करने के लिए यहाँ आए थे. एंड यू हैव पास्ड अवर टेस्ट, आप क्या करें, हमारा टेस्ट पास कर दिए. सो बी यू होल एंड हेल्थी वंस मोर, आई एम अग्नि द गॉड ऑफ फायर. तो उन्होंने बोले कि यू होल एंड हेल्थी वंस मोर, तुम फिर से जैसे थे वैसे ही बन जाओ बोलकर उनको he praised him. And I am Agni, the god of fire. So he introduced himself as Agni, god of fire. Next, Indra says, I am Indra, the god of rains. May you be whole and healthy once more, and may you live a long and happy life. So next, the hawk who changed into god Indra, he says ki, I am god of rains. So may you be whole and healthy once more, and you may live a healthy and happy life. He also praised him. King Shibi becomes whole and healthy. He gets out of the scale. He falls at the feet of the two gods. They bless him, and the curtain falls. Finally, क्या होता है? The King Shibi gets up from the scale. वो तराजू में से हटते हैं, and he was whole and healthy. बिल्कुल अब से completely क्योर हो गया उन्होंने, जो पीसेस उनकी बॉडी से फ्लैश कट किया गया था वो पूरे अटैच हो गए. ही वॉज अ नाउ हेल्दी मैन. अभी फिर से सेम हेल्दी हो गए. He falls at the feet of two gods, they bless him and the curtain falls. Okay, so he falls at the feet of two gods, they bless him there and the curtain falls. Fine. Okay, so do the reading of this, and in the next class we'll write the question and answers. Fine kids, so do the reading and try to understand the lesson. So stay home, stay safe and be happy.